Today, we're going to show you how to change a Toyota Avalon key fob battery. This is for Toyota Avalons from 2008 to 2012, but it will also work for any Toyota vehicles that have this older style key fob shape. We've also got videos how to do it if you've got this newer key style shape for Toyota vehicles. But congratulations if you have an older Toyota vehicle on the road, great reliable vehicles. Hope you keep to enjoy it, and we'll show you how to replace the key fob battery. First thing you need to do is there's a little tab right here. We want to insert our screwdriver and we're going to open that up. These do require CR 2016 batteries. We've got those in the description in the link below. And it does help support the channel when you get them from us. You want to make sure that you turn the button side down, because if you have it the other way, the buttons can potentially fall out and you'll have to put them back in. Then we're going to take our screwdriver again and just pry out the battery module here gently. We got the battery module out for our Toyota Avalon key fob, and then it's got some writing on the back. It says use a coin to open right here, but there's just a little ledge. You can use a coin, or I'm going to use a screwdriver here. I insert the screwdriver and I just tilt, and that's going to separate the battery module from its cover. Now this takes that CR 2016 battery. So we're going to be very gentle when we pry this out, because the plastic can get a little bit brittle after a long time. So we're going to open this up, gently put that screwdriver in, and then you kind of just want to push the battery out rather than pry up against these plastic pieces, because they do get brittle over time. Now we're going to insert the new CR 2016 battery. We want to make sure we have the plus symbol up, otherwise it won't work. So we do that, we insert this. Sometimes it's easier to go up against the spring as we insert, press in. And then now we've got that CR 2016 battery in. We're going to put our cover back on, snap that all into place, make sure everything's snapped where it needed to go. And then we're going to orient that back in the key like so. And we're going to put back our cover on for the Toyota Avalon key fob battery. And once again, this is from 2006 to 2012 is what should work. So thanks for watching how to change your Toyota Avalon key fob battery. Take CR 2016. We appreciate you giving us a thumbs up. Stopping to do that doesn't cost you anything, and it does help support the channel. Or subscribing helps us, or leaving a comment telling you how this helped you. Please do that for me. I appreciate it, and it helps us bring you great content and help other people so they can do more DIY projects and hopefully save themselves a little bit of money. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.